The following is an Investor Brand Network audio production via our audio press release solutions. As a multifaceted financial news and publishing company, Investor Brand Network utilizes its network of more than 5,000 distribution partners as well as other corporate communication tools to introduce public and private companies to a wide audience of investors, consumers, journalists, and the general public. Investor Brand Network's platform connects the investment community with companies that have great potential and a strong dedication to building shareholder value. The following audio press release may feature a client partner of Investor Brand Network. Investor Brand Network may have been compensated for the production of this audio production. Please be sure to read our entire disclaimer for full disclosure.
This audio press release is brought to you by InvestorWire. FuelPositive hires core NH3 technology patent co-inventor Dr. Ghassan Chehade. FuelPositive Corporation, OTCQB ticker symbol NHHHF, has hired engineer Dr. Ghassan Chehade, one of the co-inventors named on the provisional patent of the company's technology that will produce carbon-free ammonia, or NH3. Dr. Chehade worked with Dr. Ibrahim Dincher on the original development of the company's core NH3 technology. He has joined the company as lead project engineer. Quote, Ghassan will play a significant role working closely with National Compressed Air Canada Limited as we manufacture our Phase 2 commercial prototype demonstration systems for carbon-free NH3 production, said Ian Clifford, FuelPositive CEO. The manufacturing of demonstration prototypes is a major milestone for us as we transition from research and development to the commercialization phase of our growth. Having Ghassan involved daily will ensure success, preparing us for the rollout of our demonstration pilot projects in early 2022. End quote. The company's carbon-free NH3 technology takes air, water, and sustainable electricity and converts it to a non-polluting chemical for multiple applications: fertilizer for farming, fuel for combustion engines, and a solution for grid storage. It is being considered as a replacement for fossil fuels and as the enabler of the hydrogen economy. Not only does the production of fuel-positive carbon-free NH3 require much less energy than producing hydrogen on its own, but ammonia stores 65% more hydrogen than highly compressed pure hydrogen, making ammonia the most efficient way to safely store and transport hydrogen. FuelPositive's modular and transportable systems, leveraging shipping containers configurations, will be adaptable to multiple applications. The company is initially focusing on the agriculture sector, where farmers will be able to produce carbon-free NH3 on their farms and use it to fertilize their fields and fuel their farming equipment, generators, coolers, and grain drying equipment. The traditional ammonia sector has a market value of about $70 billion US yearly, with compound annual growth rate of 5% each year. However, its production, centralized in massive refineries, contributes significantly to carbon emissions. FuelPositive's technology can replace traditional ammonia with carbon-free NH3 that can be produced wherever it is needed. A number of recent projections suggest a compound annual growth rate for carbon-free ammonia of 50% or higher. On June 8, 2021, the company announced that it had filed for patent protection for its modular transportable clean hydrogen ammonia maker with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, U.S. Provisional Patent Application Number 6319784. You can watch an interview about this news release with Ian Clifford, FuelPositive CEO, on FuelPositive YouTube channel released on July 26th of this year.
This audio press release is an original broadcast provided by Investor Brand Network, a multifaceted financial news and publishing company that delivers a new generation of corporate communication solutions, including news aggregation and syndication, social communication, and brand awareness tools. Investor Brand Network may receive payments for the services and solutions provided to its client partners. You should assume that the owners, officers, and directors of Investor Brand Network or financial analysts mentioned in this audio production may hold a position in and may intend to trade the securities on their own accounts. This audio production is not an offer or recommendation to buy or sell any securities mentioned in this audio production. The information in this broadcast is presented solely for informative purposes and is not intended to be or should it be construed as investment advice. As in all investments, investment in the featured companies carries an investment risk. Listeners should review the companies thoroughly with a registered investment advisor or registered stockbroker. This audio production by Investor Brand Network is not purported to be a complete study of the featured company or other companies mentioned. Information used and statements of fact have been obtained from featured companies and other sources but not verified nor guaranteed by Investor Brand Network as to completeness or accuracy. Such information is subject to change without notice. Please see our full disclaimers and disclosures at investorbrandnetwork.com.